Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm gonna show you how to easily draw a simple rope. So let's start by drawing two parallel lines and then another set right below, and this will determine how thick the rope is. And these are just guidelines. So what we have here are two inner lines and two outer lines. So we'll start with the upper inner line and go up to the outer line, down, go to the most bottom line and go up to the lower inner line. So let's just call these lines number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this distance from this to here, right here, will be the thickness of the strand of the rope. So keep that in mind as we draw the next part. So actually, let's just start from here, and we're essentially going to draw a parallel line to this. So it's curving a little bit right here. Go up past number 2 to the first line and back down. Now we can continue this back up. So for the next strand, let's just start from here. Go up to that outer line, S-shaped line, to the bottom and curve up. So we're basically drawing the strands of a rope. There's usually 2 or more wrapped around a core, and that's really all you need to do. Try to keep the thickness the same throughout. Here I'm going to start from the bottom, go down and then up. And that's how you draw a rope. Now obviously this looks kind of plain, so let's just go ahead and do a little shading. Let's assume that the light's coming from the upper left going across, so the left side, upper left side of each strand is going to catch the most light. So we're going to keep that the color of the paper, and the far right, like here, will be darker. So I'm just going to go ahead and start shading this in. And you're going to want to follow the curve of the rope. So see here how this is curving this way? I'm going to curve my shading as well. Now here, this part is straighter, so I'm going to make the gradient straighter. And what I'm doing here is I'm using a fairly soft lead here. I'm just varying the pressure that I'm applying to the pencil. Alright, and then let's do this one. Heavy pressure, and then I'm lightening it up. So let's look at this again. At this point here, the strand is heading towards us and then wraps around, and then this section is going away from us. So this part's actually going to get darker down here. So let's do that, and including this part. So you can have a gradient from dark to light going from here up this way. Alright, and I'll do the same here. If I draw the shadow line for this, it'll be kind of like this. So that's essentially what I'm following as I shade. Darkest here, which is totally in shadow, and then starting to lighten up, so you'll get a gradient. So this is just a straight side view of a rope, pretty simple and straightforward. And in the next video I'll show you how to draw a knot where the rope's actually going in different directions, and you'll see that these lines actually change. So I hope you found this useful. If so, please give it a like, hit that like button, and subscribe for more videos on how to draw, on how to get better at drawing. Have a great day.